Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, number one educational speaker in the whole world is your host with the most. My brother,
Yes, sir.
how's it there?
Always good.
It's on, my brother, man.
But I didn't even get a chance to ask you how you doing. But it's cool.
All right.
Yes, how you doing?
You can always ask me, my brother. I'm doing fine.
You sure?
Exactly. As long as we are in front of the camera, my
Yes,
brother, and doing what we do best.
Yes.
Kimunat.
I remember you told me though the last time.
Yeah, get sharp, my brother. So whatever, right now, I'm worried, my brother. We're based in Tepiso,
Yes, yes.
right? Tepside. Kaslakwe, kaslame, kaslet.
Yes, yes.
But as I look at it,
Mm.
Tepiso, talent-wise,
Mm.
It's
There's nothing
like-
happening this side.
yeah, it's like we are going nowhere, especially the young talent. Those guys carry under 30 years mostly.
Yes, yes.
Baba Nkiboma 32 now.
Mm.
They are growing up banal talent.
Mm. Yes.
Yeah, music or rap or acting or poem,
Yes, yes.
drawing,
Mm.
Yeah, but I keep on lampele or
They give up too
support,
soon, maybe.
yes, or rona bona ba supportana or something like that.
Yes, yes.
So when my brother, what do you think is the problem, maybe, or should be done?
Oh, too many problems. As far as talent is concerned,
Yeah,
there's a lot of factors to consider, The environment itself to begin with. The companies that people keep.
yeah.
Families not supporting.
The company says in the chomi,
You told me.
your groupie.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
The people that you spend time with, basically.
Yeah.
Because some people will just waste your time and pretend as if they're there for you.
Yeah.
Talk the talk, but don't walk the talk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So not ke bone, my brother. One thing I've seen, ke bone hore machita as a competition
Yes, yes, yes.
instead of supporting each other.
Yeah.
Ke competition hore o betha kunalo.
Yes, yes.
Lo ntwana uyashaya. Hayi lo uyabhola.
Hello, work.
Lo work.
Yeah.
Lento leyo yenziwa ama fellow artist.
Yes,
Wanthola my brother. Where it is wrong.
yes.
Ba yetsa ele di fellow artist. Kanti bona ne tlamele ba fe batho and then batho ba judge.
Yes.
Uyangithola? Not them judging themselves. No.
Because
It is wrong.
the work won't even go outside the circle now.
Exactly.
It's gonna end there.
Exactly. Because mawuthi mina angikwazi ukuqula, ekubeni nawe uyaqula.
Yeah.
Mawuthi mina angikwazi ukuqula. Angiqulele wena
Exactly.
in the first place.
Yes. I
Ngiqulela
have my
abantu.
people. Yeah.
Wabona? And abantu lapho khona abazoyithanda lento engiyenzayo.
Yes.
Wabona? So it is so wrong, my brother, because happy. Re ka se etse competition o sena tšhelete.
Yeah. Re compete-lang,
Re compete-la eng?
Yeah.
What is gonna be the reward there? Nothing.
More hunger.
So ka tsela eo ke jealous.
Yes.
Competition among us without money,
Yes.
without medals, without something to compete for. Wabona? That is tangible.
Yes.
Like your money, your medals, Wanthola, my brother, your contracts, maybe winning a contract.
Yes.
Wabona, my brother, hayi ke.
Even the competition itself is not healthy.
It's not healthy. Ke jealous.
Personal. Yes.
Wabona? So I just wish our guys in Tepiso,
Which
this
is all.
platform, guys, Uppercut Podcast, don't tatazela, man.
Yes.
Ude apha lapha yana uthi ushama uppercut manje uyangithola. Yeah, to ukusupport italente lakho mfana semzini, ukushaya uppercut.
Exactly.
Wanthola? Njengoba ubuye eThepiso mfethu, woza la abantu umhlaba wonke bazokwazi ukukubona.
Yes.
Siyaplakana la.
Yes.
Uyabona? Another thing that engibonile brawami kuna two groups
Oh yeah.
egasi la. Ngikhuluma ngabantu aba-talented.
Yes.
Abanama-talent. More especially music. There are two groups. Kunamajita ahlala emikhukhwini yabo. Bayenza istudio lapha ezincane.
Yes, yes.
Uyangithola?
Yeah, I've seen those.
Yeah. Ama-computer, ama-laptop, nana kushawa amabhidi.
Yeah.
So into engiyibonile inkinga la amabhidi wabo antswembu a grand.
So what's the problem?
The problem is they are procrastinating too much. They are procrastinating, my brother. So sizoyiqedelela kusasa maqala. Hayi le ntswembu sizoyiqedelela kusasa. Kusasa maqala ha hlale engwe beat. They drop this one.
That one entirely.
Yeah, entirely. And then baqala kae happy. The whole thing is too. And what's my problem again? What to be?
Oh shit.
Machitatu balikata too much. And everything buffet away overdose.
It can be good for you.
It can be good for you.
Yes.
And the kelelo tsa di genius. Zala abantu aba create amabhiti, abantu aba for every talent. Ayibahle track nyana.
Yes.
Wabona nse bathu bada ko piting ba qetella ba itebala because ke all after soul.
No limit.
Yeah, hona le ba plomeng mo bathu ba fela ba bofa bona.
Yes. It's only the company tse deciding next.
They deciding next. So ba fetso e wrong that. The second group ke machitele hore a performer a bina a thola di gig.
Okay.
Mara ba di thola go di taverneng most.
Yes.
Wa bona ha ba di thola go di taverneng ba palama stage sa ko taverneng a bina da batho ba tlileng da ba jive hey a tshwere mic sare o fihlile.
Yeah, they think they made it.
Yeah, ka bana wa tseba o tlo tsamaya le sebosh mo. Ba lo kihla le sebosh.
Thotse di pianyana.
Ba mo gafile ka le botlolonyana. Ba mo gafile 5 clipanyana and le yona ba e gaya 3 clip. So there is no investment in their talent that way. If it were the alcoholic,
when the talent becomes the excuse now.
And the talent now become the excuse. Was totally funding, was totally in, but the little that they get, they are drinking it because when they watch all, they are famous guys. So by famous. That shows already, even if Buffett Bakatola fame, but ya go di drugs in, check out the musicians because Papa like a 5 clip by Tola or Nache. They can't even invest 1,000 by Totsi together as group.
Le 2 clipanyana.
Le 2 clipanyana, ba be something. Wabona my brother. Even help. It over Tola Kotsileng. Help e ka so tholo dudes.
Yes. No one is gonna invest in you if you don't invest in yourself.
Never, basically. My brother, never. You see, there was this guy, the late Chico Azania. May his soul rest in peace.
Yes.
That guy, I loved him so much because he was so real and so local. In that way, I'm trying to say he was speaking to the locals.
Yes.
Mostly same language. One day he made a video on TikTok. He was telling the producers, the organizers of the events,
yes.
You know, those who are booking them,
the people with the platforms.
Yes, these guys, they are paying us with cheap booze.
Okay.
They don't give us money.
Yeah.
When we ask for money, they say, you are getting an exposure. So money, I don't have money. I'm gonna give you an exposure. So in the morning, or when they get home, no money, no money to show that baby. These guys are baby daddies.
Yes.
Abancane. Banale the responsibilities. But they have no money to show for it.
For the work that they're doing.
Exactly. So that that job can support them.
Sustain them and their family.
Yes, and sustain their talent as well.
Yes.
So instead, batho ba bakula ke bojala bo cheap. That's why Islama di tlhogo di ba sharp. And ba sebedisa tlhogo perform.
Exactly.
Now how we khumisa ka bone
hey.
How we sharpisa ka bone se tlhogo na to perform why bon ka di DJ ba chincha le botlolo ba tshela ko le botlolong la Hennis. One other thing Brayak work exposure. Which exposure? How did you see me when? How did you find me when you talk about giving me exposure? That's unfair because I'm already exposed to you.
Yes.
I'm exposed to you.
You need to call my people.
Exactly. And you saw that you can benefit from me.
Yes.
But why now you don't want me to benefit from you?
Yes.
Yeah. Let us use each other. I use you, you use me.
Yes.
But the thing is, the problem here, if the fairness is not there.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
That now it is bad. So I'm so passionate ukuthi bafethu angeke ngithi ngihlale eThepisong ngibona yonke into. Ngibona everything brayaka, not that I judge. Ka slam ke batla le khophuke. Ke batla machita le nna ke a feel Raman. Ntona tsa Thepisong hona le tse ka computer le DJ Maphoresa tsa mo fa stress. It's just that machita ambomba. Ba mixa talent le umbomba and then machita tsuba dikata. Frustration e tlo ba isa di drugs tsa mampela na. Tse qena se re mmona jwanong sa shata spinning.
Body crystal,
yeah. Ke na le ntona tse pae mo Thepisong tse jang di dustbinning. How so? Ba phanda dustbinning ba lo kadisa ha ba qeta ba thola disente. Ha o mmotsa re why o nka dustbinning a re ke tlo pa dijo. Okay, maka on net, it doesn't matter. Mara ha re nke AI buang hore o lo reka dijo. It's a serious thing, right? Kutsho ka manzwa man tšhelete o nka kae dustbinning. Ho tsho o ja dustbinning.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, and now o etsa research ko bona ba shote ka dijo prayaka. Ko bona. Why asa kopantshe dijo le batho ba ko bona? The whole family ho kopantshweng dipapa re bona hore ba tla mo romela dustbinning na. A le fail jwalo. Rena re tseba dustbinning ho ja mekogo. Dintja. Ntja e senang le teng ntja e ba reng ke mokogo. Ntja e senang ko bo yona. It's a starting. You see those dogs?
Yes.
That are running around on the street.
Stray dogs.
Yeah, dintja tse ka re di tshwere ke marabi tse kulang wa bona re ela ka loma yo.
There's no coming back.
No doctor can fix this. One chala my brother. So it's a shame to me.
Sounds like
it's sad my brother. Because the talented these guys. Babang badlala polo. Antswembu baba ngibo machayivane prayaka. Today re ba bitsa bo Nyahope bo mang. Now I still feel for them, but babang ba iketsa.
Yes.
We all
have choice at the end of the day.
We all have choice. So I want to say let them be strong, my brother. Even strong. Skaba weak umathele di drugs mfana semzini. Skaba weak umathele ko alcohol mfana semzini. Why bona really? Skaba weak. How sna nyoko wena? We just are ya madaising. It's not the only way
to make money.
Madaising. All over the ghost, the enemy. Da.
Yes.
Now I talk the walk.
Yes.
Kidienze la khutesa, my brother.
Yes.
I saw what as a sebenzi. And I'm a proof for that matter.
Yes.
My brother. So good luck ka Thepisong machita Thepisong. Please, anyone anale talent bafethu kapa anale brand a batla mo emathisa a itsose. So ga la re tlo bua ka yona batho ba itsebe.
Yes. They should do that.
One chala my brother.
Careful, right?
One chala my brother.
Yes.
Because if batla ka botsotsi ba re ba emetse smell cool le podcast got up. It is already big. You are late, my brother. It is already big. I don't know what you are looking at.
Yes, you're looking at the wrong things.
You are looking at the wrong things. You are so big.
Yes.
I don't want to by the time bar iyazwakala sesengiyazwakala kupra apa manje. Ke be ke dumela kante batho ba bang ba ko line and the queue will be long for them.
High demand basically.
Yes. And then they will cry foul. Horopra apa ikhotman la sekasi mara alesbegele.
Yeah. Ngiyababiza manje.
Ngithi let them come. I know they see this. I know.
Yes.
Machita i-platform yenu uzwakala sizoshama uppercut.
While you still can.
Khuluma ivari.
Yes.
Italent lakho ivari. You are talented. Akusamanga lawo.
Yes.
You know, and to collabo. They must learn to collabo, merchants.
Unity. That's something that we lack.
Yeah, Lady Maid is a talented. Baska shaba uchola fela.
Hey, plus ikione kheba itseba.
One chola my brother. We say everything to you.
Yes.
Media talented asitonse yaqola. Maqala shela le medi enyamfuna ntwana. Abasa sheba the talent side of it.
Thinking with the big now.
Yeah, and the charity slim. Di ale bona di tlo tshaba spana le lona.
Yes.
One shot. Di tlo tshaba spana le lona bana ha nkara le na vision.
Yes.
Why bona my brother?
Too impulsive.
Yeah. di baya dintwana ko dikasi mfowethu wa bona ba batla ho phamisana. But there are those who are right, there are those who are wrong pretending to be right, and ba tlo invade our spaces aba right.
Yes. That's the
danger, my brother.
The dangerous guys.
Why, my brother? Yes. Yeah. Now I'm saying those who are doing right, those who are passionate about their talent, keep on doing what you are doing. It makes a lot of right. It makes and skill beats like you get right and nah. What tell my brother? Yes. I am a good guy, and I'm for them.
Yes.
What
tell I'm inviting them.
Yeah, and I'm inviting them. But right, my chance. Kimo lona reprotector in tronco.
Yes.
Reprotector in the tracks. Arbato ya the tracks. Reprotector majwala. Reprotector bofebe.
Yes. Unnecessary things.
Se tletsa re tshwana ngwana talent ya hao. Re tsebe fela mo tshepiso.
Things that are going to cause you to have regrets later on.
You know what I'm saying, my brother?
Yes.
I regret a lot, man. So I don't want other guys, especially young guys, to regret.
To go down the same road.
Yeah. And one thing, my brother, I say, there are this group that are
yes.
Ko di strateng, ko di shopong ko makuleng.
Yes.
Ko di shopong ba plome mama ngicela 5 rand, grootman nanka i10 la ma grootman. Esifuna ukubhayibhodlela, grootman esicela sifuna ukubhayibhi, sifuna ukuthenga izolonyana. I'm saying those guys, they don't deserve to be given money. Please.
Yes.
They don't deserve money.
Yes.
And you know how ba fa hore ba lo reka di drugs, ba lo reka majwala ba o jwetsa, ba lo ba batlang kausa ba batla Rizla. Let them go and work for their Rizlas.
Yes. You didn't teach them to smoke.
You didn't teach them to drink alcohol.
Exactly.
Yes,
because now they are entitled.
They are entitled. Thank you, my brother.
Yes.
Because you've been giving them every day.
And also what basis, sir?
And I can't end over basis. There are guys, young guys, who deserve to be given money.
Yes.
But they ain't going they are doing their best in terms of talent.
Yes.
Ba jaiva ba ya ko di holong ba practice ba ipulela di groupnyana, is either soccer or music or dancing makamputs. Wa bona o ke ngwanyana or ke autikelo shapa poem a go mo fe 10 rand ta grootman. If mo tseba ngwanyana la sa tsebo mo fella, please ska mo fa ro tlo mo jola ka bana ke ngwanyana. One dollar
last fool.
Yeah. Only she gets a banging inspire plan. She's a young lady and she's so smart. Ushapa poet Lena Bareke Medi Agashovi. Yeah, I hope I call that name right. Medi Agashovi.
Is she also from this side?
Yeah, it's a song, but I don't know exactly the house. I met her once at Alexander.
Okay.
Yeah, memorial service in Chikwa Azania. Big ups. One taller, my brother. Yes. That lady inspired me a lot. Inspires me a lot because she's a lady and always a poet. But no one is coming out. So she's making sure why push her.
She's courageous about
it. So I'm just saying, girls like that, my friend, too. Mediga Shovi, big up. Sakfuna nawela.
Yes, Mela.
Yeah, my brother. So that is Tsepi song for me. The love of Tsepi song for me.
Yes.
I love this place because I stayed a lot in this place.
I was about to ask, how long have you stayed?
Yeah, maybe now from 2007. It's been long.
Yeah, you've seen a lot.
From 2007, yeah.
Yes.
I've seen a lot, my brother, respectively, you know. Yeah. I saw what talent is too good here.
Yes.
Not only talent is there in Tsepiso, a good talent.
Yes.
One tell my brother. So it's a mind say, wakibone ntona tsepaya today di anwa tsene di bina ke fihla tsene di dlala bolo, talented soccer players. Today, my brother, abatsuba ba kuka di plastic, ba ya di middle class le di plastic, my brother. Le di meditsa bona. Yeah, ona le di cherry, my brother. Tse tsubang blind. Ba bang ba jolana ke bonya ope ba le thuba. Yeah, my brother, I'm telling you, it's very painful.
Yo,
Robert.
but then I'm not really laughing.
So now I'm asking these guys, but generously, Robert,
Who give, yeah.
to give, Robert. Aba choose or bafabo mang.
Yes.
How fanya ope chelet? You don't love him. You don't love her.
Yes.
Wa tseba la ka shasha o lo tsuba. Ntona tse khonentse wa tseba ya ka ikhona after mo Grootman laka. O banga ditsotsi o encourage ditsotsi da.
You are encouraging the lifestyle.
Yeah, let the world show them hore a ba batle ha ba plomada.
Yes.
Ha ba ska topa fokol batho machita di khoneng a kopang di ranta kopang di 2 ranta for di kata for the drugs of it.
Until they do the right thing.
Yeah, le ba plomang di taverneng ba fethu. For PA1 Grootman Nqalese every day o taverneng weekends a catching ya tavern.
Yeah.
Hoba na o bula o da. Ha kwala ida. So ke catching.
Yeah.
Wa ibona my brother. Ba bang batho ba tshaba ya shopong, ba tshaba ya taverneng ele ma Grootman. Hore ele izoqela le. Into ezinjalo. Batho ba jwalo ha ba ska kaua nyongo ba fethu. Lerato le right ke leo. Kayang ba talented bele ba bona mapantsola ba jive da ba fethu. Wa bona ba ka entlipa. Oba no khona ka ya ba le tlipa le botlola.
Exactly.
Wa bona ba sala ba ra uncle isikhokho ka usane ba tlo bitsa stombo. Ba kubamba inkonzi. Bona ba ba sa tshwara wena ba tlo tshwara media ba rape or relative ya hao ya go zola ya komndeni ya go thembisa ya go kae wa bona
over something.
Nna ke ikopela go batho ba generous ba khona ngontsha chelete ba pae dikholi ba fethu. Please
do the right thing.
Do the right thing. Give that good money behind good money.
Yes.
Oba ntwana tse abana di camera ba fethu. Wa bona abana di studio ba fethu. Abana di space tsa o jive, abana uniform ntwana tse tsa o jive, tsa o etsa the good thing. Hore ba wrong ba tlo wela ba bona ho so supportiwa ka kwa. You understand my point, my brother?
We can also join in now.
We can join in now, my brother.
That's working.
That's working. One tell my brother towards
greater things.
Greater things. One tell. That's all I can say to Tshepisong. Le batswadi ba Tshepisong.
I like the sound of that.
Tshepisong. Yes. Abazali ba Tshepisong fethu. A re shebeng bana ba rona. Grand. Re ska ba embarrassed.
Yes.
Wa bona a re kopaneng as batho re bona re thusana jwang.
Truthfully.
Yeah.
Without shame.
Yeah.
Yes.
A re bona re thusana jwang. Mama e tlo le wena mo Apartheid podcast. A re embarrassane.
No.
Wa bona ha ona le story sa ngwana hao o batla a loke mama. O batla thuso. Ya mantswe fela di advice.
Yes.
Wa bona re phule le di strings mole le mole.
Yes.
O tseba o mama. Ngwana wa thuseya.
And you never know who's watching.
You never know. Eseng hore o tla mo re tlo mo embarrass. No. We are going to help and as well as teaching.
Exactly.
Because Haiwana, yeah, there are so many from other provinces.
Exactly.
That are wishing or enkarenkaya da go Apartheid podcast. So batswadi ba Tshepisong e tlo re bue ditori re solve ditaba. This is your podcast. This is your platform. Be proud of it. It happens fu baralko. Ke o lokisa ditaba.
Yes.
Arna radio you know.
Yes.
Yeah, arna radio. Ke o lokisa ditaba my brother. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's all I can say about each episode. Until, yeah, that's all I can say, man.
Hopefully they heard you, eh?
Yeah. Retap and my brothers. Yeah. Yeah, they must join you, my brother. They mustn't forget that you are an artist as well.
Yes.
Yeah, they must join you, my brother.
While we still can.
Exactly. While we still can, because like you, the platform is already big. Hence we were saying, maybe they are looking at the wrong things.
Exactly.
And thinking that
they're criticizing, obviously. They are projecting. People tend to do that.
Yes.
It's like they'll look at the next person through their own lens, through how they feel, then think what they see through their lens is the reality. And they know you just are seeing a reflection of you.
Yeah.
It's not really there, you know. You're disrespecting For sure, because you're disrespecting yourself.
Yeah.
Even though you won't say it to yourself, but it's still happening that way, you know.
Thank you very much, my brother. So, bafethu, I hope kuzwakele namhlanje bengikhuluma neThepiso.
Yes.
Wanthala my brother. Bengikhuluma ngeThepiso bafethu, indawo yethu le asi-embraceeni siboniseni umhlaba ukuthi nathi we can do it. Uyangithola bafethu. So, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe lapho. Mama, Papa, Grootman, sister, Tona yam, Mshoza, subscriber. Nogogo mamele la.
Yeah.
It's
for everyone.
Thank you very
Even
much.
the kids.
Asiphume nje ayami before basquatele.
Hey.
Siyabonga.